Alright, so quick video. You probably notice that this camera is kind of choppy. And a lot of people have issues with their cameras, and what it is they're not thinking the complete setup through. So I'm going to switch cameras real quick here. And this is a web camera. I mean, it doesn't look that great, the lighting and all that stuff. But a lot of times you want to use a mirrorless camera, Canon, Sony, whatever it is, and everyone's like, use a Camlink. Camlinks come packaged with a special USB adapter, like a little pigtail thing, a little extension. Use that extension or connect the Camlink directly to your computer. Now I normally connect it directly to the computer, but today I was connecting it with an extension. And let me switch over to this camera to give a little bit of a view. So here's my Camlink, here's the HDMI cable, here's the extension. This extension is not good enough. You saw how the video was choppy and everything, right? This is not going to work. Use what comes in the packaging or connect it directly to your computer or your docking station. Now you can't see it, maybe because my coffee's blocking it, but I got a docking station right here, okay? But I also went and bought these cables. Now this is a USB-C to USB-A. Now watch this. We're going to go back to my Canon. And you could see how it's choppy. Now I'm going to switch the connections. I'm unplugging the cable. I'm plugging in the red adapter, and now I'm plugging it into the USB-C port on my docking station. Give it a few seconds. If not, I will reselect the camera. Probably gonna have to reselect it. Here we go. And now it's not choppy. So you want to be careful how you connect things. How you connect things are very important. If you could connect the Camlink and many other devices directly to your computer or to a powered docking station. Now, I use CalDigits. I actually had two of them. Now I got one, but I'm picking up another one when I get a chance. But how you connect things are very important. This little extension here is not going to work for a camera. But now, let me show you something else here. I got my wireless Go with the USB cable. I'm going to plug that in to this extension. I don't need to, but it's already plugged in, so I'm going to do it. And now I'm going to swap my microphone over to the wireless. And now I'm using the wireless microphone. That's right here. So you could use the extension for certain things. I would never use them for video unless you know for a fact it's going to work for video. CalDigits come with the cable. Use the cable that comes with it. Now, why am I doing this? Because the head is so big, it's blocking the USB-C port. I want to be able to use both ports. So again, these little adapters you get, they're not powered hubs. They're not going to work for video. They split your connection, so I never recommend those. But at the same time, even these little extensions, you have to be careful how you use them. Don't go blaming CalDigit. Don't go blaming Ecamm. Don't go blaming your computer when you're not using proper cabling for your devices. And that's going to be it for this video. Pay attention to what you're doing, what you're using. Try to keep, I already misplaced mine, I'll find it eventually. Try to keep your devices and their parts together, because these particular cables are made to work with those devices. All right, that's it for this video.